Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'm sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY bone straight, you like to call it person, let me just say bone straight crochet wig. No need of you ventilating. Yes, I want you to be stress free, so that is why I'm bringing this amazing tutorial to your table. So this is my old closure. I was like, let me use it to create something amazing. Just sleeping on my cupboard, let me use it to create a DIY I can be rocking like. So this is 4x4 lace closure. You can see what I'm doing now. I'm just pinning down the lace closure on my wig cap. After that, I'm going to be sewing down the lace closure. Can you please keep on watching this amazing tutorial? The braiding hair I use is two size, 46 and 42. I use 46 at the down, I use 42 at the top. So I'm done sewing the lace closure. You know I do this a lot to make my work very easy, but the line was not really kind of perfect. I corrected myself. Can you keep on watching because the space was too much, so I added more line to the track. So after I'm done doing that, let's start ventilating. I crochet a very tiny, guys, please make sure you crochet a very tiny amount of hair. I knot it twice so that it will secure very well, so that it won't shake. You're going to see what I'm trying to say towards the end of the video. So this was where I added more track so that the hair is going to have enough volume and the space won't be too much. You can see how I'm ventilating it, tiny amount of air, and I leave only one hole at the middle. I didn't ventilate every hole on each line I mark out with my metallic pen. I leave one hole at the middle. Can you please make sure you hit on that like button? Make sure you subscribe if you see what you are watching. If you enjoy what you are watching, which I know you enjoy what you are watching. Kindly support this channel to grow. I really appreciate each and every one of you. New subscriber, old subscriber. If you've not subscribed, returning watcher, anyone, please make sure you hit on the like button, please guys, so that YouTube can share out my videos. Very important. Like guys, please. I really appreciate your love and support. So can you please keep on watching so that you can know how many pack of hair I use. And please make sure you brush as you crochet so that the hair will be tangle free, and it will make your work very easy towards the end of the video, so that you won't have a lot of stress to do by you detangling the hair. It can be kind of frustrating, but when you're ready to detangle the hair, don't worry, very easy to work with. So guys, this is where the main work starts. You have to detangle the hair very well. That is why I use pre-stretch braiding hair. I don't want to start. You can see what is coming out. You can see after that nothing is coming out again. I don't want to start detangling the hair myself. Use pre-stretch braiding hair. Then this is the conditioner I use. I use a lot. Do not be stingy with conditioner. You need a lot of conditioner. And again, please don't allow the hair to be too hot. I said the hair to be too hot. Don't allow the water to be too hot. That is what is going to make it shine. The water is not hot. The water I use is lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. I can dip my hand inside so that it won't cook the hair. I don't like whereby my hair will be kind of shiny. No, if you do it this way, the hair won't shine. And no need of you using straightener. I love this texture. If you've been watching a lot of bone straight I've been doing on this channel, this is the method I love using, and it's worked out so fine for me. Then I'm going to use my straightening comb. I'll put it in number 5. From the beginning I put in number 5, and guys, this hair is not dry. When I'm using my straightening comb, it is not dry. I just left the water to drain for like 5 to 6 minutes. After then, I use the hot comb. I first put the first stage in number 5, then later I put the next stage in number 10. But with the closure, I put the number of the comb in number 15. The number is up to 20. Then I section. I spray the hair before I use the hot comb. I spray it. You can see what I'm doing. I spray it. No need of you using any product. That is what is going to make it tangle. When you've already used the leave-in conditioner, you can rock it anytime, any day. The only thing is take care of it very well. Then I use mousse for the flyaways. For the flyaways of the hair, I use mousse because of, you know, the closure and the hair is not the same length. So to blend it in very well, then I use my hot comb to blend it in very well. That is all. That is it. Can you see how this came out? So amazing. Let's watch the final look together. Let's unravel the final look together. Okay, let's go. Now let's see the final look. Oh my god, guys, this came out so beautiful, so lovely, so amazing. This look like Uma hair. No one is going to know. And again, my hair is not cornrow. I just put the wig on my normal hair. It's not cornrow. Can you see the back, how the back looks like? Can you see? This is so amazing. I use total amount I use is 2, but I was left with 1 inside a pack. There is 4 hair inside a pack, so I was left with 1. Just get 2. Yeah, so this is the final look. I really appreciate your love, your support. Please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.